What's good, gents? Today we have a different type of day. One, you can see it's a cloudy day. I think we're gonna relax, have a chill day, and I wanna get to do some maintenance, some stance maintenance, as I like to call it, on the car. And as you can see, we got school shoes or spoolies on the car for a daily set, because honestly I was getting tired of running 185s every day, because I was using the Eagles as my daily tires, and that was really not working, because still, like, even though it's not a stretched, it's still a stretched tire. So you have to check PSI, you have to check where you're driving, or like potholes and stuff. You can daily them, but it's just like it's not as easy. So I got school shoes, so I can drive every day, simple and easy. So where I got them with the tires, but looking at the condition of the paint, it's not as good. I'm gonna refurb them. I'm gonna try to refurb them and throw a new coat of paint on them. So that's how it is. I'll get new caps for them later.
Like a tailor was definitely an issue. Back home we be swinging with pistols. If it's more, let me know it's the issue. If you're pretty, I'm a hottie kiss you. If you're ugly, I hit from the bend that. I'm a nut on a bow and I'm finna ass. Let the whole world know I'm a min ass. Sipping on drink, swinging a rack, still in the rack, pulling a track. Yeah, keep it intact. All of my niggas know just how to act. These niggas act like they never had bitch. These niggas ain't keeping it clear, okay? Beating that shit out the square. Ain't even playing it fair. Ain't gotta worry, ain't saying shit like I wasn't even there. Hit from the back and I put out a head, so I bought him some new one. Yeah, look on my hip and it's stuck to the side like I used me a glue gun. Moving them racks around and tripping, I give him some new ones. Yeah, throw out them 20s and 10s, I'm keeping them pink and them blue ones. How you shooter on God, he know he ain't shooting on.
Looks like it's been repaired before, because the other one didn't really chip like that. This one actually went down to the silver, so I think it's been repaired before. Resprayed, not repaired. But yeah, let me start spraying, and yeah.
The way that I'm driving this race, they about to put me on suicide watch. Can't choose what color I'm feeling today, thank God it's a two-tone watch. He don't like what I'm doing, he probably have said at the end of it, do somebody. My dick blooded like Marshawn Lynch, he wanna do somebody. She done caught me on a bad day, her so perfect, it ruined my headspace. The driver goes straight to the staircase, how could I ever be late to the airplane? These Japanese governments is handmade, whole body covered in shit that I can't say. I take the dance to the best way, I cannot help but feel something like that. But if you go ahead and crash out, as soon as he find me, let's see how I pan out.
I finished a little late, but there's the finished product. Added a little touch of yellow there. That's how it comes. Looks way cleaner.
One day later.
The rest of the set for the Corolla secured. We got 18540s. Ruin, obia. I will record properly after we fit them. So yeah, let's head back home. Bigger than now. Get bigger.
Wait, Instagram.
Get bigger now. But it's lower. Front and back.
I can cover up now.
Yeah. Fantastic.
Yeah, I'm not a new guy. I already been over there.
Yeah. Oh, my plan. Oh, I am so
Several days later.
Oh hey gents, welcome to the vlog. Today, I don't know if you can hear me proper because my window's open, but today we're gonna head to a show, but that's later on today. So far, I have to go to this other family thing, which I'm like an hour or 2 hours late, and can't really speed like this, but then I'm gonna go there, and then we're going to buy something for the car before we go to the show. This road. So let's head there. I just picked up the wheel caps, got back, so now I'm driving home and meeting up with, they were gonna clean the cars and head to the meet, which we're also late to. So today is a very late day, so let me get on. No. After a whole day. I don't know. That has a whole day. I don't know. I've told you about what I don't know. I'm a whole day. I'm not really getting mara ka ba sekolo no phumula dust ka lesela atlareng. It's just a wipe down. Okay, here's what I went to get. I got I think these are AW wheel caps, so I think this will look good. As you can see, I'm rocking the steelies now. We won't into it. It shows the woman off the floor. Rocking steelies now. I got steelies now for a daily setup. And Corolla, she was the 185. I got back. I'm out there loud. Okay, we're finally heading out now. It's 5 o'clock. It's very late. I don't even know if the show's still on, but just gonna go. Zag. Come on. Ay, boss wa.
Boss wa ka.
Ah, wa peile.
Oh, na boss wa ka.
Second loop.
O ka patela wena dikete di 10,000.
Come on now. 2023. Amare betere ko pareng Brazil Fest. Omo bone ere 2017 o gare.
Bras na ke le sole bras. A ke le sole tsa magane tshela expire. Long ago.
Jo. Ona di ticket di phela 2017 tao. Oi patela.
Le nna self ticket over 10 di ticket tse di over 10,000 ba se patela.
Magap me. Intambo so. 24 karat.
Ole represent the Montana. Represent the Montana.
Ah, Jo. Ara Montana. Ini representative tse kae?
Aga hane ne. Ko le ka Montana di.
Mara ke
Mara fight.
fight again.
Fight. Are ya ge.
Hood Outlaws, 24 karat.
Sorry, kisa po nagkira ko. Hape ke tayo na kamukha mo kare kisa ko.
Alate golf. Ah, my dog. I clean into it. Clean. Sure. I don't know if you guys remember, I had the ugly place, so I got such blackness. Oh, by now, wheel caps are on. So yeah, gents, I think this is the end of the video. The show was fun. Not sure what exactly I'm gonna put in the video, but yeah, the show was good. It was chill vibes. Shout out to the Hood Outlaws for the show. The show was proper. And